Hello, my joyful Subbies. Hi, guys. How are you? So, this is my coffee. It has cooled down a lot. This is can y'all read that? It says, if at first you don't succeed, try doing what Fuller told you to do the first time. Fuller. This is my Miralax apple juice. Okay. And this is my water. And this is my water. Yep. Trying to stay hydrated. And but yeah, I got up early this morning so to finish up the projects that I started last week. Well, two Fridays ago. And I started out, if you were on my live 2 Fridays ago, I keep saying 2 Fridays ago, 2 weeks ago on the Friday, you would have been privy to me starting a rope project, right? Well, when I woke up this morning, I said, well, I want to do something a little different. And when you, as a crafter, switch up on the intended project, it tends to take more time, okay? And so what I was doing ended up taking more time. It really did. And you will see it. Now, I'm going to take a late lunch so that I can get home because I really want to have at least 2 projects in the video. If I can get to 3, I'll do 3, but if not, 2 it is. But yeah, it took a long time. And I dress casual. It's cold. It's so cold in my office. It's really cold. I'm like, y'all, why you got me feeling like I'm in Antarctica? I feel like I was on a ship. You know. My daughter-in-law is calling me. Hold on. Let's go, guys. So I have 3 DIYs for you tonight. And I am a little bit under the weather. I have this cough going on. So I'm just going to get quiet and allow you to watch me bring these projects into full fruition. And I want to say in advance, thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for just hanging out and rocking with your girl. If you have any questions about any of the DIYs that's in this video tonight, just make sure you drop them in the comment section of this video and I will respond to your message. All right, I pray that you all have a good rest of your night and I will be talking to you soon. Again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Bye for now.